In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down to access System section, which is this one. Now, click on Navigation Mode and begin by setting up gestures. I will explain in a second. You can always switch by the end of this video. But if you decided to set up gestures as your main navigation, you can tap on gestures here after going back to System, tap on one-handed mode, and use this switcher to activate it. Then choose Pull Screen into Reach and follow those instructions to use one-handed mode. So when I pull down from the bottom of my screen, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this section at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same switcher. Now let's switch to 3 button. When I go back to one-handed mode section, sorry my screen, I can see that this button is not available. So instead, to still use one-handed mode and have Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Enable it, hit OK, and use this shortcut to enable or disable one-handed mode whenever you want. You can also hold your shortcut and move it around. If you don't like using a shortcut, tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left and tap on any of those other options you can use to use one-handed mode whenever you please. Quick Settings, Accessibility button, which is this one, and volume keys. Whatever you decided when you finished, just go back. Last but not least, to disable one-handed mode fully, use the same switcher until it's gray with an X. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!